Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Kia Sorento headlight bulb. First, make sure you have the correct replacement bulb and a screwdriver ready. It's important to turn off your vehicle and allow the engine to cool down completely before starting. Once cooled, open the hood to gain access to the headlight assembly. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now, let's access the bulb. You'll typically find 2 or 3 retaining screws holding the headlight assembly in place. Remove these carefully. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to release it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it away from the assembly. This frees up the unit for bulb access. With the assembly free, it's time to swap the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing and pull it out. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base to avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the headlight assembly, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, aligning it properly. Reinstall the retaining screws to secure the assembly. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight bulb to confirm it's working correctly. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.